How to make highlights on Instagram. Want to keep your best Instagram stories visible forever? Instagram highlights let you save and organize your favorite stories on your profile. So this is Rose and I'll guide you to create Instagram highlights. Here's how to create one. So first of all, you need to navigate to Instagram app and make sure to log into your account. So before adding a highlight, you need an active Instagram story. So simply you can swipe right to access the story camera or simply select your story at top left corner. Now you can select or capture a photo or video you want to highlight and now tap on the your story icon at bottom left corner of your story in order to share to your story. After you upload it to your story, you need to tap on your story at top left corner of your screen. Then you can easily choose the story and then tap on highlight icon at bottom right corner of your screen. You can easily create a new one or you can add to existing one. So let's tap on new and here you need to add the name for the new highlight. Tap on add button and after that you will successfully create your highlights on Instagram. You can easily navigate to your profile at bottom right corner of your screen and then view it on your profile feed. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.